By default, Knowi uses an internal AI language model that searches for answers only within the data you've uploaded to Knowi. With this, your data never leaves the platform. However, users now have the option to connect to external OpenAI models for advanced capabilities based on your specific requirements. To do this, navigate to User Settings, and then select the AI Settings tab. Here you can add your OpenAI key, which you would copy and paste. And once that's been updated successfully, you can select which AI models you want to use for each feature within Knowi. So you'll select Change, and then you can select any of the OpenAI models available to you from your key. And note that when you have multiple models selected, the first model in the list will be used as that default. You can specify these to your needs and have each one be different if you want, or have some use the Knowi in-house model and some use OpenAI. And just note that if you select an OpenAI model, your data may be sent to OpenAI servers. So to keep your data securely in Knowi, just keep the default options on Knowi's in-house AI option.